Understanding air shaft in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we've got an interesting topic to discuss: the phrase, air shaft. We'll break down what it means, where you can find one, and how you can use the phrase in sentences. So, stay tuned, and let's dive into the topic. An air shaft is a vertical space within a building that permits air to circulate through the structure. It plays a crucial role in ventilation, helping to provide fresh air to the building's occupants and reduce indoor air pollution. You can find air shafts in both residential and commercial buildings, and they are particularly common in taller buildings where proper ventilation is essential. Air shafts are vital for creating a comfortable and safe living environment. They help to circulate fresh air, reduce humidity, and eliminate odors. In some cases, they also provide a means of escape during a fire. By promoting good air quality, air shafts contribute to the well-being of the building's occupants. Now that we know what an air shaft is and why it's important, let's look at how to use the phrase in sentences. 1. The architect designed a large air shaft in the center of the building to ensure proper ventilation. 2. We need to clean the air shaft regularly to prevent any blockages that could affect air circulation. 3. During the renovation, we discovered an old air shaft that had been sealed off years ago. And that wraps up our discussion on air shafts. We hope this video has helped clarify what an air shaft is, why it's important, and how you can use the phrase in sentences. Remember, a good understanding of such terms not only enhances your vocabulary but also improves your overall communication skills in English. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.